Hey lovely, so it is no more news that STARTOWER Mainnet is live. So this is STARTOWER official page on Twitter, on X, STARTOWER, and they released this 20 hours ago and it's pinned. It says that STARTOWER Mainnet is live, where everything becomes possible. So I'm going to walk you through the process of how to set up your address, your wallet address, and how to key in into this 500 mainnet launch airdrop. That is, see it here, 500,000 SAVW airdrop is going on currently, how to participate in it. So I'm going to walk you through the process, so just stay tuned. Now the first thing you need to have is a Mrs. browser, or you can also do it on your MetaMask, but I'm going to be using my Mrs. browser because I've always said that my MetaMask usually gives me some glitches when working, and most times I have to work with a VPN. But my Mrs. browser, I don't have this problem. So if you're going to be using your Mrs. browser, you're going to have to download the MetaMask extension, which I already have. So I'm going to walk you through this process, and I'm going to be saving this post, because I'm going to be copying some things from this, some key things from this particular post. I'm going to be infusing it into our MetaMask. So let's go into our Mrs. browser. If you're new to my vlog channel, you are most welcome. My name is Sussy, and this is where I share everything crypto trading, airdrop mining updates, my no-fail recipes on cakes, small chops, food tray, commercial drinks, and so much more. So right here on my Mrs. browser, I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click on this icon that is the home of extension, and you're going to see my MetaMask right here, and then I'm going to click on it, and it's going to open the MetaMask interface just like this. If you're also been following me on this channel and you have not yet subscribed, please do me a very big favor to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on notification bell, join the Telegram channel, because that is where you get updates back to back. Yes, on the Telegram channel. Once it pops up your MetaMask like this, you'll be prompted to enter in your password, and I'm going to enter my password off camera and I will get back to the video. So I just had to expand the view of my MetaMask extension within my Mrs. browser so that I can show you guys exactly what I'm doing. So once you're here, you come there and click on this icon here. You click on this drop down button, and the next thing you're going to do is to add a network. So you come down here and you click on add a custom network. If you did the test net of STARTOWERCHAIN, you will see your network here, but if you did not, you are going to come here and just click on add network. Now you can always leave me comments in the comment section on the Telegram platform, and I will definitely respond to you. So we're going to add a network name, a default RPC, a chain ID, a currency symbol, and a URL. So I'm going to go back to my Twitter and I'm going to copy that, because we already have that on the STARTOWERCHAIN official platform. So if you have been following me, you know I usually say my phone supports Edward or Moto in the feature. So I'm just going to go here and click on my X and allow it to pop up. So I'm going to be copying the network name. So if you come down to this Twitter app and then you come to the official platform, I'm also going to be leaving these details on the Telegram platform. So if you're not there, please do yourself a very big favor and join the Telegram platform. I'm going to first of all copy this network name, not network name, which is STARTOWER. So I'm going to copy that first. Then I'm going to minimize my Twitter account or app. Then I'll come into this network name here and I'll paste it here, just like this. And you see it's pasted. STARTOWERCHAIN is a network name. Then I'll go back again to Twitter and I'll copy the default RPC chain, this next one here, and then we're going to paste it on this place that shows default RPC, but we're going to add something. So you come down, you click on this drop down icon here, drop down icon here. You're going to also click on this add RPC URL. Next is going to ask you to paste the RPC URL you have. Paste it, but we're going to add this HTTPS, just like you see me doing before this, and then you add your, yes, you add your / and is it forward or backward slash, and just like this. I'm going to leave the details also on Telegram. Then you don't need to add your RPC name, is optional. Then you come down here and you're going to click on add URLs. After you've pasted this correctly, you come down here, you click on add URL, and if you follow these steps the way I'm saying, you're not going to have issues. Then you see this chain, enter chain ID. I'm going back to my X, the Twitter account, and the reason why I'm taking you back here is so that you know that this is from the official platform. I'm going to copy this ID, or you just memorize it and copy it: 321123 321123. So I'm going to just write it down here. After adding this chain ID, just the way it's reflecting on their X account or on their Twitter account, we are going to now go ahead and we're going to copy the currency symbol and also the block explorer URL. I'm going to be leaving all those details on the Telegram platform too, so that it's easier for you instead of you going back and forth. So for the symbol, I'm going to be copying it from here. You can see it here, token symbol. I'll click on the copy, I'll minimize my X, I'll come back here and I'm going to enter. Just like the RPC URL that we added, for the block explorer URL, we're also going to add the HTTP and the forward slash to this place here. So I'll come down here and I'll click on this drop down button, and then I'll click on add a block explorer URL. Then I'm going to paste that URL I copied from the X account, and I'm going to add this HTTPS just like this. Just like this. And with this, you're going to now click on the add URL. If you don't add that HTTP or HTTPS, it's not going to work. Then I'll come down and I'll click on the save icon, and let me minimize this so that you're going to see that it's going to be saved successfully. You see that icon here that showed saved successfully. StarTower was successfully added. So if I come up here and on this Ethereum Mainnet, that icon here, I click on the drop down button, you are going to be seeing my StarTower here. You're going to be seeing it right here. You'll be seeing it right here. So I'm going to click on that, and if you've done everything successfully the way I've shown you, you've set it up using your Mrs. browser or via your MetaMask, it's going to be reflecting just like this. So you've done phase 1. This is it. You can see it here reflecting here. So we're going to the next phase, which is phase 2, which is actually how to key in into the 500,000 SAVW that you can see here in celebration of their mainnet launch. It said how to participate. Add the StarTowerChain network, which we've already done. We've already added the StarTowerChain network. Then it says create your wallet. We have done that also. Quote these tweets and comment with your StarTower wallet address for a chance to receive the airdrop. So I'm going to minimize this because there's something else again we need to do. We need to come down here and then we need to copy our wallet address. I'll copy this wallet address. I'm going to go back to my X. I'm going to maximize this app. Then if you watch my videos to this point, please do me a very big favor to subscribe to my vlog channel, and also do me a big favor to also follow me on Twitter. I will leave the Twitter handle on the description box of this video or on the screen. So you can see now we've copied our wallet address. Now I want to quote this tweet and comment with our StarTowerChain wallet address for a chance to receive the airdrop. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click on this icon. I want to click on this icon to ask you to repost or quote. The post said quote, so I'm going to quote this. I'll just click on this quote and allow it to load, and I'm going to paste my wallet address just here. I'm going to paste it just like you can see, and you can decide to just paste it like this, or you can add something. I'm just going to write congratulations. Congratulations guys, and just shares, and I'll click on repost just like this. So with this, we've done everything possible. You can also decide to tag them during your reposts during the comments. It's left to you. Note, this airdrop distributes real digital assets, not forex or securities. This is a limited offer, so you need to start now. This was posted 20 hours ago, so you need to start now. Once you see this video, just start immediately. So if you follow the video to this point, if you follow the process, I'm not going to have any issues. So that's all for me for now. Stay tuned because I'll be dropping more updates from time to time. Thank you so much for your support. It means a lot to me. See you in a subsequent video. Bye for now.